Welcome to the channel, everybody. So in this video, I've already recorded this. It's probably been about a month or two since I've recorded this video. Just want to go ahead and let you know, though, that it's not a detail-oriented video as far as installing the Bullyliner. However, it is going to be more of a quick playthrough, and then I'll do some talking afterwards on why I did it. But we'll be taking it from this to this, assuming that I have those pictures. If not, you're just going to look at me and be like, why are you pointing to the random right hand corner of my screen? Anyways, let's get to the video. Appreciate you all watching. So today I have been going through and still getting out all the sound deadening and stuff like that. If you're following me on Instagram, you'll see that that's what I've been working on. You'll also see that I got in that new bandsaw, and then you would also see a sneak peek of what I'm going to do with the floor. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, and I've got some metal over here somewhere. Maybe it's over here. It's over here or upstairs. So I've got this sheet of metal here, or aluminum, sorry, not metal. I mean, I guess you can, whatever. I guess it's still metal, but anyways, so I have a hole here and a hole. Where else? I know I had another one somewhere. Here, where my foot is. So, and I don't have any more of these like body plugs or whatever that were in the car. I don't know if all of the plugs technically had aluminum or metal covering them, or if they had plastic, but we are going to go ahead and just cover them with plastic. I've also got, where I went ahead and put those in a while back, I've got some seam sealer. So I will do that, and then I'll probably go back through and in certain areas, like right through here where I've pulled all the seam sealer out, and back there hit it with seam sealer. I'm not too worried about it, just simply for the fact that the stuff that I'm going to be putting down and everything else I think will hold it in place fairly well. So alrighty, anyways, I'm going to get the bandsaw out, set her up, and then we will go from there. Alright, so I didn't have really any good way to trace this out. The circle, I used a 27mm socket and just traced around it. For this, I kind of used on this side over here a razor blade, and then I just kind of freehanded the other side. As you can tell, I'm not no artist. Anyways, I was trying to do it like measuring. Yeah, that didn't work at all. So anyways, see if I have anything to set y'all up on. Oh, if y'all heard that, that was definitely my chest popping. Oh. All right. You're not really gonna be able to see a whole lot. Let me get something. Let's try this one. I think it's a little bit bigger. Perfect. And we'll just glue it down. This one, we'll just kind of get the sharp edges off. Alrighty, so it's not pretty at all, but it gets the job done. I tried looking online, Amazon, all that stuff, couldn't find anything that to replace that, so I went and bought a bandsaw. You'll see, like I say, you'll see a video on that, but I bought a bandsaw. It was used off of Facebook Marketplace for half the price, and put a new blade on it. Bought the Swag off-road thing, which you'll also see a review video on that, but this is me actually getting to use it, so I guess technically that this is a review video. And now I am going to go ahead, while that stuff dries, vacuum all the stuff that you see like in the corners, way over there, all up in here, even down in through here, around all that stuff, and then and over there, and work on trying to clean the back up a little bit. And then once that dries, the next video I guess will be of me putting the secret stuff in on the floor. Alright, so we're complete with spraying the bed liner. There's little things. I was trying to clean up the threads here, but I messed it up. However, nobody's going to see that because it's underneath the dash. Messed up a little bit there. Wasn't worried about it though because it's in the back and I'm not going to be able to get everything. The biggest thing I wanted was this floor pan and stuff here to be bed linered, and up here around where your feet are going to be, just getting in and out of the car, and the fact of the heat from the engine and transmission and the road and all that. But there's things I'm going to have to touch up, like there, miss some there, and some other little spots. As it dries, I'll see better. So once it dries, I'll be able to add more coats. It's one good thing about the Bullyliner is you can keep doing more coats. What? That's probably their cat.
I didn't know that had a cat. I thought that
No, that's her cat. I heard her up there. She meowed at the thing because she heard me. But anyways, I'll have to go through and touch up stuff. And like I said, one good thing about Bullyliner is you can just keep applying as many coats even if it dries. So shout out to Bullyliner for telling me that there was a special on eBay for like 20% off. So if anybody's wanting to get this, I would advise hitting Bullyliner up on Instagram, ask them if there's any specials. If not, then you just have to pay the full price. But if there is, they'll tell you. They're pretty cool like that. Every time I ask them questions, they got right back to me. So like I said, I let this dry. May have to apply some more coats, and then for the rest of the car, I'm going to paint black, probably, maybe do gray, because I ordered this and it said midnight, and according to what I saw online, midnight was supposed to be black. However, I'm kind of glad that it's gray, because I was going to go with gray earlier, storm gray, but when I saw the midnight, I was going to do that. But then I started thinking that's going to get hot in the car when I driving, because I'm not going to have AC. So anyways, the gray's pretty cool. Stick with it. It's kind of almost like a bluish purple gray. But anyways, I think that's all for this video, because I'm going to catch up on just touching up some little things. And then I think the next video will either be me wiring the car, or maybe starting to paint some of the insides. Appreciate y'all for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day. See you.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker.